Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about discrete probability distribution. First, we are going to satisfy two conditions for discrete probability distribution. First one is p of x is greater than 0. It should be greater than 0. Probability of x is greater than 0. And second one is summation of all p of x values equal to 1. If the given data satisfies these both the conditions, then we can say that the given data represent the discrete probability distribution. Otherwise, it is not a discrete probability distribution. If one condition fails, then also this is not a discrete probability distribution. If it is a discrete probability distribution, then we are going to calculate mean and variance. For calculating mean, the formula is summation of xi into p of xi. Using this formula, we are going to calculate mean, and variance is variance equal to summation summation of xi minus mean whole square into p of x. Using both the formulas, we are going to calculate mean and variance. We are also going to write this Python program for calculating mean and variance if and only if the given data it is a discrete probability distribution. First, we are going to calculate the manually one problem. We are going to solve this problem. The discrete probability distribution for x is as follows. They are given x and phi of x values. X values are 0, 1 and 2. Phi of x values are 1 by 4, 1 by 2 and 1 by 4. First, we are going to check two conditions. Those are first one is phi of x value should be greater than 0. Here, phi of x values are there, all are greater than 0. First condition satisfies. And second one is summation of phi of xi is equal to 1. If we add all the phi of x values, then we should get 1. Then only we can say that the given data is a discrete probability distribution. They are given 1 by 4, 1 by 2, 1 by 4. If we sum all this, we get 1. Hence, the given data is a discrete probability distribution. And if it is a discrete probability distribution, then we are going to calculate mean. Mean equal to, we know the formula, summation of xi into phi of xi. Xi value is 0 and 1 by 4. 0 into 1 by 4 is 0. 1 into 1 by 2 is 1 by 2. 2 into 1 by 4 is 1 by 2. We get a mean is equal to 1. And also we have a variance is equal to uh, summation of xi minus mean whole square into phi of x. If we calculate variance by using this given data, we are going to get variance is equal to 1 by 2. Thus we have mean is equal to 1, variance is equal to 1 by 2. Here we are going to discuss this problem manually, and we are going to discuss the Python code for this. Here is a Python program to calculate the given data is the uh, discrete probability distribution or not. First one is we are going to take the x values and also phi of x values here, and in this first we check the given data is discrete probability distribution or not. For that, we are going to calculate, we are going to check the two conditions. For that, we return a is discrete probability distribution one function. This is the function. This one returns the takes the p values as the argument. This checks the two conditions, that is phi of x value should be greater than 0 and the all values sum should equal to 1. If both the conditions satisfies, it returns true. Otherwise, it returns false. If it returns false, we are going to print this one. Print the given data does not represent a discrete probability. If one of the condition fails, then we are going to print the given data does not represent a discrete probability distribution. Otherwise, we are going to calculate mean and variance. Mean equal to, we know the formula. Using that formula, we are going to calculate mean. Mean equal to calculate mean x values and p values. We are passing x values and p values for calculate mean this function. We are written for here to calculate the mean. Calculate mean this function calculate the mean and returns the mean to the calling function. Mean is stored in this mean variable after calculating. Variance is equal to calculate variance. We are written a calculate variance one function and this takes x values, p values and also mean. For calculating variance, we also need a mean also. Variance is equal to we know summation of x minus mean whole square into phi of x. This calculates the variance value and returns the variance. After calculating mean and variance, we are going to print the given data represent a discrete probability distribution and then we are going to print mean and variance values. We are written this Python program. Just we need to run this one and we are going to enter the data. Here we have x values. X values are given 0, 1, 2 and phi of x is equal to 1 by 4, 1 by 2 and 1 by 4. First, enter the x values separated by spaces. We are going to enter x values. X values are 0, 0, 1, and 2. Enter. If after entering x values, we are going to enter phi of x values 1 by 4, 1 by 2, and 1 by 4. 1 by 2, sorry, 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 2, and last one is 1 by 4. If we enter the given data represent a discrete probability distribution because this checks the two conditions. What are two conditions? First one is p of x value should be greater than 0. All values are greater than 0. And second one is p summation of all these three is equal to 1. 1 by 4, 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 is equal to 1. Therefore, this satisfies the both the condition, hence it is the given data is a discrete probability distribution. If it is discrete probability distribution, then it calculates the mean and variance through these functions. Mean equal to 1 and variance equal to 0.5. We calculated mean and variance through manually, then also we get the mean is equal to 1, variance is equal to 1 by 2. And run again this program. We are going to enter the other data. We are going to solve this problem. Show that the following distribution represent a discrete probability distribution. Find a mean and variance. They are given x and phi of x values. X is equal to 10, 20, 30, and 40. And phi of x values as 1 by 8, 3 by 8, 3 by 8, and 1 by 8. If we calculate mean and variance, first we check these two conditions. Phi of x values should be greater than 0. All phi of x values are greater than 0 and also summation of p of x equal to 1. If we sum all these things 1 by 8, 3 by 8, 3 by 8 and 1 by 8, we get 1. Therefore, this data satisfies both the conditions and it is the given data is the discrete probability distribution. If it is a discrete probability distribution, then we are going to calculate mean and variance. We know mean and variance formula. According to that, if we calculate, we get mean is equal to 25 and variance is equal to 75. Here we are going to enter the same data. If we get the right answer or not, we are going to check. First one is we are going to enter x values. X is equal to 10, 20, 30 and 40. First one is x is equal to 10, 20, 30 and 40. Enter. Enter the phi of x values separated by space. Phi of x values we are going to enter 1 by 8, 3 by 8, 3 by 8 and last one is 1 by 8. If we enter the given data represent a discrete probability distribution and mean is equal to 25, variance is equal to 75. Mean if when we are calculated manually, then also we are going to get same mean and variance value. Here also we are getting same mean and variance value. If we give a wrong answer means if we enter the data which one does not holds the both the conditions, Then what it gives, we are going to check. First, we are going to enter x values 10, 10, 20, 30, and 40, and also 50. We entered one extra data here, 1 by 8, 3 by 8, 3 by 8, 1 by 8, and another 2 by 8. If we enter, that is showing that the given data does not represent a discrete probability distribution. Why? Because p of x values are greater than 0. This satisfies the first condition, but the second condition is not satisfying because 1 by 8, 3 by 8, 3 by 8, 1 by 8, 2 by 8 is equal to 10 by 8. That is does not equal to 1. Therefore, the given data is not a discrete probability distribution. This is the Python code for that, calculating the discrete probability distribution. Thank you.